It's a crazy feeling. Something that can give me butterflies in my stomach right now. Seems unreal. I usually can speak very flawlessly, but today I think I'm going to be absolutely cautious, aware, and all of that when you have one of the best podcasters of India sitting on the couch with you. Very warm welcome, Siddharth Kannan.
यार मनीषा इतनी अच्छी प्रोफेशनल सालों से बात कर रही है, बॉस लेडी है. शो मस्ट गो ऑन, विच जहां मैंने आपको मैसेज भी किया था कि यू नो व्हाट, आई लव द कंटेंट दैट यू आर डूइंग.
थैंक यू.
मैं नर्वस हो रहा हूं यार. मैं तब से जिप ऐसे नीचे ऊपर नीचे कर रहा हूं क्योंकि मुझे इतना स्ट्रेस है. बट fabulous job, Ray.
Thank you. Sid, I'm going to call you Sid. And that's how everyone in our industry loves to call you, Sid K. You know, fabulous job is something you have done. You have truly made your mark in a very different way. And kudos to you. You've actually done like a makeover. And you have evolved in your style and changed yourself and transformed into someone who's unbelievably there in that space with everyone you meet. Which is the real Sid?
बहुत अच्छा सवाल पूछा है. You know, so I started my career जब मैं 14 साल का था.
Yes.
In 1994. So I was India's youngest radio host, still the youngest radio host,
Still.
as per the book of records. And what happened is, I was 14, I got onto radio. So obviously I was this bindas, carefree boy. The only reason that I would do radio is कि यार क्लास 11 में कॉलेज में जाऊंगा और लड़कियां सोचेंगी क्या पॉपुलर लड़का आया है यार. And that was the only intent. So I came from a middle class family. Parents were in the corporate world. So obviously I had this crazy energy, not afraid to lose. So I got into radio, फिर television हुआ, फिर voice overs हुआ, ये सब हुआ. But over a period of time, I developed a very emotional side to me. And when I was a little younger, my parents left Bombay and moved down south because they were in the corporate world. So they used to move very often. तो जब 16 साल का था, मैंने कहा मैं आपके साथ शिफ्ट नहीं करूंगा, मैं बंबई में रहूंगा, आपसे पैसे नहीं लूंगा, ये सब. But with their blessing stayed back.
Okay.
But here was this boy who was 16 years old at that time, doing all the work in entertainment business. But over a period of time was also very emotional deep down. बट वो मैं दिखाता नहीं था क्योंकि मुझे लगता था रोना किसी के सामने, ये सब माने लोग सोचेंगे सॉफ्टनेस दिखाना, लोग सोचेंगे क्या है रे, इसको क्या है. सो आई वाज ऑलवेज कीप द हाई एनर्जी साइड व्हिच वाज a part of me.
Yeah.
But I would keep it dominant all the time because I was so scared to show my vulnerabilities. And there were times that, you know, I would come back home, and when I was 23, I bought my own apartment at that time.
Really?
तो 3 BHK मैंने खरीदा था और मैं हमेशा जाता था in one room, watch TV, eat food, and leave next day for work. I would not even see the other rooms. And I always wanted people around me, right? तो Saturday night होता था, event खत्म करता था as a host. I would start making plans कि Sunday afternoon 10 लोग आ जाओ, Sunday evening 5 लोग आ जाओ, because I wanted people around me. But I could never tell those people कि यार मैं थोड़ा lonely feel कर रहा हूँ, you know. And suddenly जब मैंने YouTube शुरू किया and जब मैं events भी करता था, वो भी stamp लग गया, energy, power, crazy guy, which is also a part of me. But I developed the other side which was waiting to come out. पर जब मैं event करता था लोग बोलते थे यार भाई आजा तो तोड़ फोड़ कर दे.
That's the way people have seen you all these years.
So then you come, you do that, you do that. Also because you're making money out of it.
Yes.
They've also got a perception of that and they've called you because of that.
Yeah.
So I said, which is that one place where I can actually showcase a side which I've dubbed for years, yeah. And that's where YouTube helped me. So मेरे लिए, on a very serious note, YouTube is my family. YouTube is my best friend because YouTube was the only friend who allowed me to showcase a side that I was desperately wanting to show. But I was not sure कि वो जो soft emotional side है, जो एक बंदा softly बोलता है, एक लाइन बोल देता है, 10 लाइन किसी और की सुनता है, वो वर्क करेगा कि नहीं यार. क्योंकि इनिशियल YouTube वीडियोस हाई एनर्जी थे, पागलपंती थे, जोक्स था. But मैंने कहा चल यार जो होगा देखा जाएगा. At least let me try. So the 2-3 podcasts that I did, which were very heartfelt,
Yeah.
they didn't take off initially. But in the 4th, 5th week, it took off. And people started saying, अरे Sid यार, तुम बड़ा मुझे पसंद है यार. Sid, I saw you teary-eyed यार. Sid, I saw you this. And I started loving the fact that people love that side of me, which I was very scared to show, Ray.
Interesting.
Very scared to show.
But it was a chance that it is a gamble, Sid, because everyone in our industry knows you as, honestly, if I have to say, Ranveer Singh happened much later to the entertainment industry. Siddharth Kannan happened first. You were always full of energy. You would have climbed onto any table. I remember co-hosting a show with you years back.
Acha.
And I remember not getting a chance to speak. I just realized मैं आई गई पता नहीं चला because Siddharth Kannan was...
Sorry रे यार.
Yeah, you better say sorry now.
Sorry कसम से यार.
I was like, ये हो क्या रहा है? मेरे माइक की भी जरूरत नहीं है because you were just there and the audience. It was an Audi event. The audience was so much in love with your energy. They were just reacting and responding to that craziness. And you're right. That is just the way we've seen you. So when you come in a new avatar, it's always a gamble.